Oh, I've done a bit of work to the Series 3 lately. Yeah, it's looking good. Got some nice new tyres on it. The interior's come up really nice. Cool. Back seats, everything nice. It's going to be a pretty damn good car now. Paint's a bit scratched and swirly. Oh well, got all the mufflers on it now. Yeah, excellent. And here's the Series 2, which I've just done an oil change to. Hopefully going to remove this engine in the next month or so and fully replenish it at least. Maybe hot it up some. But the cam's screwed these days, so I better do it soon. But yeah, that's what's going on tonight. We've got a cat in here. No cat. Oh, there's a cat. Can't really see him. Here's a cat. No, it's not going to be fun pulling the engine out of this thing, especially because that lovely air conditioning system I put in is going to be removed, like the hoses. And I've got to pull the radiator out, which means radiator support top panel comes off. So my lovely wiring is on. Better than a V12 though. I've got to remove all that. Yeah, I've got to take out this nice condenser I got in there. That's fucking huge. So, yeah, that sucks. That nice handmade pipe I did. I needed it get going again. I went and got a length of straight line and just bent it up with my thumb. Ends up over there at the receiver dryer and connects down there. I think that's a good job for at midnight. Need your air conditioning. So I'm going to pull all that out. I'm just going to yank the engine and box out all in one hit. So I'm going to get the box rebuilt if I'm going to do the engine. And my flashbang just ran out of power. Yeah, it works again. It'll run out any second. But yeah, it'll be fine. There it goes, the LPG system. Oh, I'm here on this hot and windy night, working on this Mercedes 108 250. I've just come in for service. Got to put a new button in for the primer for cold start. What else I got to do? Globes on the dash, and general inspection. But since I've just done the globes on the dash and I want to test out the dashboard, I figured I might as well put the air conditioning on at the same time because it's hot. It's very hot in the car. This is a system I put in about a year or so ago and it still works beautiful. All custom made at the front here. The only thing original or standard is the compressor and the evaporator coil. Everything else is custom. Works very well. Let's go sit in front of it. Just realised I've got a park light out at the front here. That one's on, but that one's not. And the rear one's on, so it's not a fuse. So, I've got to pull that one out and do a globe. I think I've got two left. Oh, there we go. All the dash lights are done. I haven't put it back in properly. I just want to make sure the oil line's still good, because you always check that. You can see they're nice and bright. See if it'll start. It's been a bit piggy. Oh yeah. Turn that off. Bearings in the starter sound a bit sad. Nope. I've got to do this dodgy thing. Got to touch those two wires together and it'll go. Let's put the camera down. This wire's here, I've got to fix this. The switch broke off. So I'm going to make a nice proper one. So you do that. There's no wire left either. Okay, it's primed. Now let's try. Come on. Kill. These are good tune though. Not running too good. I'll keep my foot on the gas and let's turn the aircon on. Oh yeah. Nice. That's cold already. That's just mad. I want to put it in my mouth. You'll notice the compressor's starting to sound a bit knocky. Bit sad. The belt, need to put a new belt on it, see a bit of string coming out. Just the engine would run better, I've got to tune it. Not healthy. It works well, it's just cycled off. But yeah, not healthy. This thing's running like a pig. It stinks rich. I can smell it as LPG. Let's give this a tune. Poor old thing. I think I might recommend replacing that. I gave it a basic tune, but I want to go do the point, check the plugs, do all that. Well, at least it doesn't stink like gas anymore. Just the coupling works. It's got a bit of a wobble to it. She's getting tired. I have recommended a replenishment, which is just rings, bearings and gaskets, which is standard 500,000 kilometre service for one of these. It is a 1968, I think this one is, 66. I can never remember. Let's have a look. 65. Oh, 66. Cool. Doing good. Yeah, I might get a new compressor, but that one's sounding a bit tired these days.